Easy chicken fried rice. Better than takeout. Simple ingredients, big flavor. First, cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Adding garlic, adding my favorite spices, and soy sauce. Mix everything. Ready to cook. Let the chicken cook until golden brown. Set the chicken aside for now. Adding onions, carrots, and peas. Cook the veggies for a few minutes. Add 1 egg. Stir everything together. Chicken goes back in. Now it finally starts looking like fried rice. More flavor. Mix until everything is evenly combined. And it's done. Subscribe, share, like, comment.